Oh my God, would you look at that? The world is about to stop. Well, at least people on the East Coast are about to stop. Yep, the eclipse has started. Well, that's a telephone wire or electric wire going across there now, so you can't see it real good, but yeah, don't look at it. You'll blind yourself. Don't look at it without the proper glasses on. Oh my God, it's coming to an end. The world is coming to an end. And here we've got people over here in the parking lot that have stopped to look at it as well. Some schools didn't even let the kids go to school today because of the eclipse. You know, we just had one of these, I want to say 4 years ago, maybe 3, 4, 5 years ago. So I don't know why this is being made such a big deal, but it is. Oh well. Okay, farmer's daughter is cleaning her truck out. We didn't come to a settlement yet, but basically she's not going to be driving this truck anymore, so we're trying to get everything out of it. Luckily she had 2 of these totes. They're the totes we have at the hardware store that we get our product in. She had 2 in the back of the truck, so we've been able to fill them up. All right, now she's pulling wires because she had a lot of stuff hooked up in here. So she's cutting and pulling, and holy crap, what the hell was that? Lights?
Underglow lights.
Oh, underglow lights. Okay, what was this?
That goes to the outlets in the back of the truck that I put in.
Oh.
For my Christmas tree.
And is that coming out or is that staying in?
It's staying in because I can't get back to it.
Okay.
Not easily.
That cord is staying in. So the next person that buys the truck will have a place to plug in their Christmas tree lights. Okay, so we've brought the original tires up to the dealership. They're going to take these tires and rims off, give them back to her. They'll put the original tires back on. Oh, your hitch?
I don't have the key.
Oh, okay, no key.
The keys are with me along with the
okay, so
I also need the bracket when I get to it.
Can we take that off?
It's locked on there. I don't have the key.
No, but the bracket. Can we unscrew the bracket and just take the whole thing with us?
Be able to.
Okay, so we got a toolbox there to take. I think we've just about got it cleaned out. Okay, and the solar eclipse has been hidden behind the clouds, so oh well. Too bad, so sad. Or is it so sad, too bad? I don't remember. Hey, new Hornet, 2024 Hornet, 48,490. Wow. 1.3 liter turbo. Looks good, smells good. Okay, I pulled a second load out of here just to verify the quality was okay, and it looks pretty good. I don't see any bridging, I don't see any clumps, nothing sticking to the sidewall, so yep, this is good. I've got the fan on, so air is blowing up through here and it smells good. I don't smell anything foul in this air coming through here, so hey, all is good. I'm going to take this load up to the elevator, and then I'm going to move everything to the next bin there, and I'm going to pull a load of soybeans out of that bin just to verify the quality is good on that. right, let's see what the quality of the soybeans are in here. All right, I see no bridging. Everything seems to be flowing pretty good. I think I'll pull another load out of here. I'll take that load up in the morning and then come down and pull another load out just to make sure everything is good. There is a chance of rain this evening and tomorrow, but hopefully I can dodge the raindrops in order to put another load on. If not, then we'll wait another day. Hey, I'm rotating the tires on this truck, and I remembered as I was doing this that there is a nail in one of these tires. I saw this about 2 months ago. Farmer's daughter was still driving the truck, and she said one of the tires needed air in it, so I came down here and aired it up, and I saw this nail. But it wasn't losing a lot of air, so at the time I left it there just because I didn't have time to pull that nail out and plug it if it needs to be plugged. But hopefully it doesn't go all the way into the tire. It looks like maybe it's come in this way. So let's pull it out and see what happens. Oh yeah, that was easy. Okay. Let me make sure there's not something else in it. The tire hasn't gone down since 2 months ago when I aired it up, but I think there was a change in temperature, and that was the reason it needed air. Okay, it's looks like it's all good. So I got off lucky with that one.
You see them? There's less scribbles on these.
All right, you sure?
Yep. Double check. Measure twice, cut once.
Maybe you want to measure just to make sure you're good here, right?
I double checked.
Okay. What the hell was that, a bird?
Yeah, there's a bird. It lives, I think, behind the freezer.
He said, I want a tuna melt sandwich.
Okay, so then these things are going to go in here like this. Oh, oh. Well, that one doesn't go there, but that one goes here. The backup plate goes there. Like this. Maybe some caulk. Oh, I gotta turn that thing. And then these lights, because, oh, you took your license plate. Oh, no, you didn't. Wait, use this. Oh, that's a cobweb. Your license plate. There you go. Probably on this line. You think that'll look okay? And then the lights on the other side. Think that'll look okay?
Maybe drop it down.
Or if I do this, I probably only have to have one, but I have a pack of 2.
The other thing you can do is get a piece of metal and attach to the frame rather than that 2x4.
Is that the frame?
Yes.
It's only like 2 inches getting cut off. I think that's still way too long back here. Yeah, that barely takes anything off of this. So I think I'm gonna have to go a little bit above that. Cause I did.
Yeah, you can still.
I did
have an angle.
6 3/8 down, which puts me. Oh shit. Puts me here to cut off. Almost 5 inches.
Yeah, that would definitely, one on each side. That's gonna hold enough.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more than new trucks, or as the same as new trucks. Did you get that other bolt in? Farmer's daughter had a little issue last week drilling these holes. She ended up with a concussion over this. So she hasn't worked on this for a week because she's still suffering from the concussion. As you can see, or maybe you didn't see, this thing, when it grabs, if you're not careful, it spins around. And so what happened is, I don't know in what position, I'm guessing she was down here like this, doing this. And when that thing spun around, it came up and hit her on her temple pretty badly. Off to the hospital they went, her and my wife, and determined she had a concussion. So, yeah, not good. Okay, so we're going to have an update on her truck and on the car dealership screwing her over. She's pretty
building one, so that tells you how it went.
Pretty pissed off right now with everybody. The light is bad, I know, coming in from there. So she has to calm down before we sit down and go through this whole story. It's not a good story. Well, it's a good story, but car dealerships, they have screwed her over big time. So we will be mentioning the car dealership. We will be knocking them pretty hard. We will be talking badly about them because we have been loyal to them and they have really screwed us over on this one. So we'll bring all of that up in a future video where we'll sit down and go over all of the details. Okay, I've done my part here, I think. She's trying to figure out how she wants to cut this. She's going to cut some of it off. Still trying to figure out how she wants to mount the tag and put the lights on there, what she's going to cut off. But she's figuring it out slowly but surely. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up. Hey, you see that? I told you.
I got it.
She got mothballs. I don't see any snakes around here today. That's a good thing. Okay, I'm wrapping this up. I'm going to say, see ya!